Rain has soaked northern China as Typhoon Doksuri, one of the strongest storms to hit the country in years, forced authorities to evacuate thousands in Beijing after pummeling the Philippines and Taiwan and lashing China's coast. A broad area encompassing the capital faces a medium to high risk of rainstorm disasters over the coming 3 days, China's national forecaster said. Thunderstorms in the capital were forecast to peak on Saturday. As the storm rolls inland, cumulative rainfall of 100 mm or more was forecast over 220,000 square kilometers, potentially affecting 130 million people. Beijing authorities suspended sports events while a number of tourist spots and parks were shut. The city's flood control department said it had mobilized 203,230 rescue personnel and 3,031 people had been evacuated, local media reported. Doksuri is the most powerful typhoon to hit China this year and the second strongest to hit the southeastern province of Fujian since Typhoon Meranti in 2016. The United States has offered its unflagging support to Niger's ousted President Mohamed Bazoum. Mr. Bazoum was removed in a coup this week, led by General Abdourahmane Chiani, also known as Omar Chiani, head of the Presidential Guards Unit. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken warned those detaining Mr. Bazoum that hundreds of millions of dollars of assistance was at risk. Blinken, who was completing a multi-nation Pacific tour, called Bazoum for the second time in a few days to offer America's unflagging support after the leader was detained in a military coup. Blinken assured Bazoum that Washington would work to re-establish the constitutional order in the country and also praised Bazoum's role in promoting security not only in Niger but the wider West Africa region. 4 pilots are feared dead after an Australian Army helicopter crashed into water off Hamilton Island in Queensland on Friday night, with search and rescue teams discovering aircraft debris. As the search continues, the Australian Defence Force has announced a temporary pause on the use of MRH-90 helicopters as a precaution. Around 800 Defence and Emergency Services personnel have joined the search for 4 crew members of an Army MRH-90 helicopter that dished into the ocean on Friday night as authorities begin to examine the recovered wreckage. The MRH-90 Type 1 helicopter went down near Lindeman Island about 10:30 p.m. on Friday. The aircraft was reported missing while participating in a 2-chopper nighttime training activity as part of Exercise Talisman Sabre, a training operation that involves defense forces from Australia, the US and other allies. Officials have not offered a cause for the incident or indicated when the exercises might resume. 5 people were wounded in a shooting during a community outreach event in Seattle on Friday night as 2 victims are fighting for their lives in critical condition. The incident took place outside a supermarket in Seattle's Rainier Beach neighborhood. All the 5 injured in the shooting are reportedly in their 20s. Dozens and dozens of bullets were fired during an event to distribute items to those in need. Those in critical condition are being treated at Harborview Medical Center, while 2 other men and a woman are being treated at the hospital for injuries that are not considered life-threatening. The police are now searching for at least 2 suspects.